Hello friends, welcome to Vijaya's Articraft. If you're looking for a traditional backdrop decor to make at home for puja or any other occasion, then this video is for you. Kolam decors are very much in trend these days. In today's video, I will show you how to make a traditional kolam backdrop decoration that is very easy to make with cardboard. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon for notifications. Take a cardboard that is large enough to cut it into 8 square small pieces. Here I have taken a cardboard from empty carton box. Cut the cardboard to 8 square pieces of size 4 by 4 inches. Next we shall color each of these. Here I am using a red acrylic paint to give a background color to this cardboard. I am painting 6 of these cardboards with red color and 2 with dark green. I am using red and green colors which look elegant on my yellow backdrop. You can use colors of your choice that go well with your backdrop. Now let's draw a kolam design on the board. Choose a design that is suitable to the size of the board. Here I am using a simple 11:1 dots column. Measure the center of the board and start putting the dots. Use a ruler to give a neat separation between them. I am first drawing the design with a pencil so that it will be easier to rectify if any mistakes happen while drawing the design. If you are a beginner in drawing the columns, practice a bit before directly drawing it on the cardboard. Otherwise, if you are comfortable, you can directly draw it with the paint. We are now ready to paint the column. I am using a white acrylic color and size 0 brush to paint the column. Our kolam artboard is now ready. Alternately, you can easily draw the kolam with a paint marker pen for who find it difficult to draw it with the paint brushes. You can get these markers in local stationeries or can find it in Amazon. I will provide the link in the description box. Now the key elements of our backdrop decor are ready. I just love the way how beautifully they turned out. Now let's get started with the decoration. Take some fresh flowers of 2 different colors. Here I am using red and yellow. Tie them together to make a small string of 2 or 3 flowers. Make 3 such strings. We will use them to decorate 3 corners of the board. Use a 2-side tape to stick these flower strings. I'm using a yellow backdrop cloth to give an elegant traditional look. Now peel off the tape and stick the kolam cardboards to it and arrange them according to your choice. Our backdrop is almost ready. We shall fix it now. You can fix it either to a stand or a wall. Add some decorative elements like flower garlands or beads hangings to the decor. I am using fresh marigold flower garland and parrot hangings which go perfectly with the decor. To decorate at the top, make a toran with either beetle leaves or mango leaves. The easiest way is to stick them to a cello tape and hang them. And your backdrop is ready. Finally, our backdrop is ready. Hope you all liked it. Isn't it lovely? This traditional kolam backdrop decor can be used for multiple occasions like puja decorations or any pre-wedding ceremonies at your home. You can also use it for traditional baby shower ceremony or cradle ceremony and baby naming ceremony. This decor can be used for any traditional event you make at home. Hope you all liked the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon for notifications.